In this video, I will show you how to fix ESPN channel not working on DIRECTV. So first of all, make sure your current TV plan includes ESPN. And secondly, you can go to your DIRECTV box and unplug it for about 15 to 20 seconds and then plug it back in. And if it is your app or streaming problem, what you can do is you can simply log out from your ESPN and then log back into it, or you can simply press and hold on to the ESPN app, click on app info. From here, click on force stop and confirm it. Then go to storage uses. Here, click on clear cache. After that, you can go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for ESPN. From here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. And even after that, if it's still not working, then you can simply delete the ESPN app, click on uninstall, confirm it. Then press and hold on to your power button. Then restart your device. Then download the ESPN app again and then log in and try using it. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.